Let us now simplify 3 whole number 1 over 3 plus 2 over 5 plus 6 whole number 1 over 3. Let's add this together. So solution. First, we convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions. That is, our 3 whole number 1 over 3 becomes 3 times 3 plus 1 over 3. And 3 times 3 will give us 9 plus 1 over 3, which will give us 10 over 3. And then for the second mixed fraction, where we have 6 whole number 1 over 3, this becomes 3 times 6 plus 1 over 3. And 3 times 6 will give us 18 plus 1 over 3, and that is 19 over 3. We can now say that this becomes 10 over 3 plus 2 over 5 plus 19 over 3. Now that we have it as fractions all through, let us find the LCM of the denominators. That is LCM of 3, 5, and 3. 3, 5, 3. 3 goes 1, 5, 1. And then 5 goes 1, 1, 1. Therefore, our LCM becomes 3 times 5, which is 15. Good. Now that we have our LCM, the next thing is to write these fractions, find the equivalent, of these fractions with 15 as their common denominator. Therefore, our 10 over 3 will then become, now, what do I multiply by 3 to get 15? That is 5. So I have 10 times 5 over 3 times 5. And this will give me 50 over 15. And then the second fraction, we have 2 over 5, which will then become, now what do I multiply by 5 to get 15? That will be 3. So 2 times 3 over 5 times 3. And this will give me 6 over 15. And then to the third fraction, we have 19 over 3, which will then become, of course, 19 times 5, and then 3 times 5. For the denominator, 3 times 5 is 15. Now, 19 times 5, 5 times 9, that's 45. 5, carry the 4. 5 times 4, that is 5. 5 times 1, that is 5, plus 4 will give us 9. So we have 95. So this is 95 over 15. Now, let's add them up. So we have 50 over 15 plus 6 over 15 plus 95 over 15, which will then give us our common denominator, 15. So we have 50 plus 6 plus 95. Now let's add that up. 50 plus 6 will give us 56. Plus 95 will give us 151. Good. Now let us bring this into a mixed fraction. Now 15 in 151. We know that 15 times 10 will give us 150. Right? So therefore, 15 will go in 150 10 times. So we have 10 whole number. Remainder 1. So 10 whole number 1 over 15 becomes our answer. We can then write by saying 3 whole number 1 over 3 plus 2 over 5 plus 6 whole number 1 over 3 will give us 10 whole number 1 over 15. Thank you.